Alright, so let me tell you what's going on with this video. We were up in here about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, set up some cameras. Brandon had a camera set up on one of these trees. He decided to move it. He wanted to check out a different area. So we come back a few days after that, checking trail cameras, and wouldn't you know it, there was a dead doe laying here on the ground. So I decided I need to put a trail camera. So I got one of the Wildgame's, cheaper camera, doesn't take real good quality video, but I got it set up on the kill. So we left it go probably 4 or 5 days. We come back and the carcass, something actually dragged it back to the woods. So I'm hoping I got some video of what did that. Now the day we found the kill, we checked our trail cams that day. We actually got a video of a couple dogs and actually some video of a coyote. So I'm not sure what killed it. The hindquarter was ate out of it, and it was pretty fresh. We come up here, it didn't smell too bad, so it probably have died probably a day or two before. And it's too bad we didn't leave that one camera here. We could have seen what did it. So I'm going to pull the card on this Wildgame camera and see what kind of cool footage we got of animals coming into this kill. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.